Hi guys, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today's video is an exciting one. It is a collab with my sister, Jenifermarit. She has a planning channel here on YouTube where she does a lot of plan with me's. She does flip throughs, things like that, where you just see how she uses stickers and planners together to organize her life. And we thought it would be cool if we picked out a sticker kit together and I did a makeup look inspired by that specific sticker kit. So this is the sticker kit we chose. It is a watermelon popsicle summertime kit. Her whole month of July is watermelons. And I liked this one the best because it had an unexpected pop of yellow. It was a little different, a little fun. And this is the look that I came up with for that sticker kit. I had a lot of fun doing this. Honestly, I've been working on this for over a month. And today when I sat down to do it, I kind of improvised and just winged it just a little bit, and it was really fun just to play around, and I had a lot of fun with it. I'm gonna stop babbling. Go check out Jenifer's channel if you want to see what the sticker kit looks like in action, see it laid down in a planner. I will have her channel linked up in the cards and down below. And without further ado, let's get into this tutorial. I've already primed and set my eyes, so now I'm starting with the Viseart editorial palette, and it's just for this bright yellow right here. Any bright yellow will do. You don't need an $80 palette. And just fluff that into the crease and wing it out. As you can see from the watermelon popsicle sticker kit picture that I have, there is quite a bit of yellow, so I'm making it a really strong aspect in the look to reflect that picture I have. Next, I'm going to take the Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions and this slightly deeper yellow on the same fluffy crease brush and just get that a little more into the crease to kind of add some dimension to the yellow. Then I'm taking an angled brush because my cut crease brush is dirty, and a creamy concealer. This is Bare Minerals Correcting Concealer, and just cutting out the crease. Okay, so that got a little out of control, so I'm taking a detail brush with the yellow from the Huda palette and fixing that line. Got a little bit out of control on the inner part. So now that we've cleaned that up, we're going in with a liner brush and the Viseart palette again, and this medium green shade, and just trace along top of the concealer. So you'll probably have to reload your brush several times. And then just take your angled brush with no extra product and clean up that area to get a nice clean crisp line. Then go in the Viseart palette and take the matte red. You can use the one in the Huda palette as well, whatever matte red you have, and place that inside the green line. Then take the Identity palette by Persona and take this deep dark brown. So again, you don't need this particular one, but any deep dark brown you have, and put that on the wing area and blend it into the red. So now I'm just gonna take the end with the red and blend the two together. And then I'm just going to take a makeup wipe, sharpen that up. And then repeat that on the other eye. Next, we're going to add the watermelon seeds by applying some NYX glitter primer all over the lid. And then taking a black glitter, this is J-Cat's Bondi Black, and a teensy tiny brush. And I'm wiping the brush off so that there's barely anything on there. So I want these to be sparse. And now that we have those sparse seeds on there, we're going to take the wing and just make that a little more intense. Put a lot of glitter glue on the wing. And there you have an intense seed glitter wing. So repeat that step on the other side. Alright, then I'm going to line my lashes with the NYX Epic Ink Liner. And then I am going to apply lashes, my base, my brows, and be back to finish the lower lash line and the rest of the face. So I popped on some lashes. They are the House of Lashes Siren lashes. Did my brows, did my base. So now we're ready to do my lower lash line. I am taking the Urban Decay pencil in Smog. It's just a metallic brown eyeliner, and putting that on my waterline. Then I am taking a mixture of Charming from the Identity palette and the Bright Yellow from the Viseart palette, and using a pencil brush to blend out that liner. This is to represent the popsicle stick at the base of the popsicle. It is a very yellowy brown in my opinion, so I am trying to do a yellowy brown color without pulling too many palettes. Then clean off that pencil brush and go into the Identity palette again and take this gold digger, pop that on the inner corner, take it to meet the brown, and blend it up into the yellow. Then finish off with mascara. I'm taking the Too Faced Better Than Sex. Now to finish off the rest of the face, I'm going to take Becca's Bali Sands bronzer. It is my, I believe, bronziest bronzer that I have, and I want to look really warmed up and really summertime. Then for blush, so I'm not too matchy, I'm going to be taking Bare Minerals Gen Nude Blush in that peach though. And lastly, for highlight, I will be taking the Wet n Wild Midnight Moon Highlighting Bar, which is like this gold green color. I really want to tie together all of the colors from the eyes with this. This is real pigmented. Oh man. I'm just going to take my blush brush and sort of blend out the cheekbones a little bit so it's not quite a stripe of color. Come on, it just wants to be a stripe of color. I don't remember it not blending like this. What can you do? Last is lips. I'm going to be taking the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit in Siren's Jewel, this dark metallic green, and I will be using this to sort of do the outer areas of my lips. Then I will be taking Lorac Red Rose lipstick. This was limited edition, so just any bright red you have, put it in the center blank areas. And then use your finger to kind of blend the edges together. And set the look with setting spray. And this is my watermelon popsicle sticker kit inspired look. It was so fun doing this collab with Jenifer and coming up with a look with something that had nothing to do with makeup. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you have not already, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!